Hi guys, this is Rahul and we will continue with our Nifty analysis based on the daily movement. So for those of you who did not watch the video yesterday, we will do the extension one more time. These were the swings that we consider to get our extension projection. Alright, and as you can see, these were the levels that we had plotted yesterday as well. This is the target that we are expecting on Nifty currently before the pullback happens. And the next Fibonacci which we had used yesterday was the high from 11,761 all the way till 10,008, right, which is 78.6% at 11. So yeah, it was at 11,387. Okay, as you can see, today market has reached the 141.4% extension, and that's where it has closed. Now I'm expecting it to touch our 161.8 extension level in this week, which is 11,454, and before that we have the next resistance at 11,387. Alright, so the levels do not change, we still are maintaining the same levels. Market did respect the 141.4 level accurately, that's where it had closed. Okay, now this is the range that we are looking at. In terms of entry, let's see if we got an entry. Okay, there was no pullback here. 15-minute chart today opened. This is not today's opening, sorry. Yeah, this is where we opened today. Opened with a gap up at 11,300, pullback. Sorry, we opened at 11,301. And we have been maintaining a bullish stance. So looking at today's movement, it is quite apparent that Nifty is not in the mood to do any pullback right now. You can expect a target of 11,387 tomorrow, which is a 161.8 extension. Alright, if you do want to enter into this trade in the morning, your target levels. So I don't see, unless we see a gap down opening or a spike to 11,294, entry would be difficult unless you're already holding on to this trade. Alright. Although the target that I'm expecting tomorrow is very obvious, 11,387. Okay. If it crosses this, 11,453 would be the next resistance. That's the plan for this week. Actually, this is the plan for tomorrow. We would expect a retracement or a pullback from 11,453 and a pullback till about 11,118, because that is the previous support. That is when most of the traders would enter this index trading. Okay, now that's all for Nifty. Let us move on with Tata Steel. As one of you had suggested, you'd like to take a look at Tata Steel. Okay, Tata Steel on the daily chart, if you just look at the swing high strategy that we have discussed in the classes, we have a swing low. Okay, there are a lot of lows, but let's just take the major ones. So we have a higher low and then a breakout. Okay, currently what you see is basically a pullback. We had a breakout here, so this was our entry candle at 498. Now let's also see where we could take an entry for those who have not yet entered this trade. Alright, So this is our next wave. We have crossed 23.6% retracement. There is a possibility that we could see a retracement till 38.2, which is 505. Alright, that's when most of the buyers would enter. But since we also have a previous support here, we need to wait and watch. Actually, this is a zone that we're targeting. Most probably, you could be seeing a pullback till 505. But however, if you have a hourly candle closing above 515.6, then you could enter this trade. Okay, so as per what I see on the charts, I'm expecting a pullback till 505 or maybe till 497, mostly till 505, because the breakout is actually a strong breakout, so I'm not expecting a deep correction on this. So around this level is our entry, above 505. If you do see a close above 515, which is 23.6%, you can look at your entry. But remember to keep your stop loss just below this low of 512. Okay, that's the view on Tata Steel. It has just started its uptrend, so things are looking good. And if we were to look at the short-term targets on this, the first target that I would be comfortable targeting would be 556, which is the 127% extension. Okay, so that's all for now. And after watching this video, if there are any other stocks that you would like me to analyze, please type that in the comments window so that I could take it up in the next video.